Hi everybody! I started the look already in my last video by doing these eyes, and since I like to start the paint with kind of a glam canvas so you're not getting too much information in one video, so if you want to check out my eyes, go ahead and see my last video. And today we're going to do a cute little owls cartoon. I sketched it out for you and now I'm going to start laying in the base colors. I have one gray owl and one brown owl, so I'm kind of using a mid-tone and shading him in. Then I'm going to fill in a slightly lighter gray, give him some highlights on me, but I just really want to get down his basic colors and we can go on and add the details. I'm going to go over to his little brown buddy and do the same thing. I mixed white with brown for this color, and I'm adding a little bit of yellow and orange to really make it pop. I'm starting to go in with some details. This won't be the final details, but it'll kind of give you the gist of where his little feathers go. And start coloring around him so we get the outline so we can fill in his little branch. Now we can start adding some finer details, getting their eyeballs in, top layers of feathers. I did a few outlines to show dimension. Since he's gray, his little details will be in black. Adding some white details on his friend to give some highlight and really give that effect. Even though you're not doing a whole lot of detail work, it's enough to give you the gist of what you want to see. I didn't want to paint my entire face as the background because I kind of wanted to make it a combination between a beauty and artistic look, so I'm going to add the moon above my, well, around my eye. I really wanted to focus on shading and getting some good texture in there. Add glitter, and voila! If you want to see more of the looks on my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Show some love because that helps me grow and create more looks for you guys.